This is my second video on chapter 3. In my last video, I show you how to find common factors and factors of a given number. Now, I show how we find HCF. First, I see method. First method is our using factors. How you find HCF by using factors. Now see, for this I take two numbers, say 40 and 50. For 40, 140 ja 40, 220 ja is 40, also 410 ja is 40, also 5 8 ja is 40. These all are the factors of 40. Next, you can also write 5 8 ja or 8 5 ja, but 5 8 ja or 8 5 ja is the same, so you don't write 8 into 5. So now see 50. 1 into 50, 2 into 25 is 50. Also 5 into 5 is 50. Now see, now write factors of 40. So you write these factors in increasing order. So there is a U-shaped form. There is a U-shaped form. So you write these increasing orders when you write these factors in here. So first I write 1, next 2, next 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Now I write the factors of 50. So 1, 2, 5. So I write 1, 2, 5. Next number is 5 is 2, 2 5s are there, twice 5s are there, so you write only 1. Next number is 25 and 50. Now see, 1 is common here, 2 is common here, and also 5 is common here. So common, so I write common factors of 40 and 50. So common factors are 1, 2, 5. 1, 2 and 5. Now see what we find HCF. So HCF of, therefore HCF of 40 and 50 equal to what? See, there are 3 factors in. So among these 3 factors, 5 is the highest. So you write 5 because HCF means highest common factor. Now see, what is the meaning of HCF? This is highest common factor. This is the meaning of HCF. Full form of HCF, highest common factor. So among common factor, which is the highest? 5. So I write 5. This is the HCF of 40 and 50. See another example how we find the HCF of another number. The number is 32 and 42. Now see how we find 32. 1 into 32, 2 into 16 is 32. Also 4 into 8 is 32, or we can write 8 into 4 also. So this is not same as if you write 4 into 8 or 8 into 4, both are same, so you don't write 8 into 4 here. 42, 1 into 42, 2 into 21, then 3 into 1 4, 3 14s are 42. Then also write 6 into 7, 6 7s are 42, or you can write 7 6 are, so you don't write 7 6 are again here. 6 7s are or 7 6 are same. Next, what you can write? No, these are the factors of 42. So you write factors of 32 equal to 1 2 4, 1 2 4, 8 16 32, 8 16 and 32. Factors of 42: 1 2 3 6, 1 2 3 6 7 14 21, 7 14 21 and 42. Now we find the commons. 1 2, only 1 and 2 are the commons. 1 and 2 are the commons, so they are common factors. Common factors of 32 and 42. What is the common factors of 1 and 2? 1 and 2. Among these two numbers, highest one is 2. So HCF equal to what? 2. 2 is the HCF. So these two solutions we have solved by using factors. Now our second topic is HCF. Our second method is prime factorization. Now our second method is prime factorization. Now in this method, see how we find the HCF. So I take two numbers, say I took numbers from your book. Number is 8 and 12. Using prime factorization, I find the HCF of 8 and 12. Now see, for HCF, in this prime factorization, we divide 8 like this. So for first we divide by 2, divided by 2. So 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Next number is 2. 4 is also divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 12 is also divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12. Next, 6 also divisible by 2. So we divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. Now see, 3 is prime number, so we don't divide. This division is stop here. Now I write prime factorization of 8. So you write these divisors in multiply form here. So first 2, so I write 2 into, second number is 2, 2 into, third number is also 2. So 2 into 2 into 2. This is the prime factorization of 8. Next, also in below we write prime factorization of 12. The prime factorization of 12 is 2 2. So we write 2 into 2 into, last number is 3. So 2 into 2 into 3. This is the prime factorization of 12. Now see, in this prime factorization, 1 2 is common here and another 2 is also common here. Therefore, HCF of what? HCF of 8 and 12. Now see, these 2's are common here. So only commons are multiplied, so or I multiply two commons. The 2 into 2 means 4. So HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. This is an example. Now I see another example. Another example is I take an example of 32 and 42. See how we solve. So 32 is divisible by 2 because in this place 2 is here. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. But 3 minus 2 is 1. There is one remainder. So this one is put in before 2. So the number is 12 now. So 2 6 are 12. That means 2 16s are 32. Now we divide this 16 by 2 because 16 also divisible by 2. So 16 8s are 2 8s are 16. Now 2 8s are 16. Then also 8 is divisible by 2. So 2 4s are 8. Next number is 2 2s are 4. Now see 42. How we find 42? 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now next number is 21 is not divisible by 2. So I take 3. 3 7s are 21. Now I write prime factorization of 32. These are the factors of 32. So I write these factors in multiply form. 2 2 2 2 2. There are 5 2's. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 2's are here. Next, prime factorization of 42. The factors of 42's are 2 3 7. 2 3 7. Now see, only 1 2's are common here. So therefore HCF of 32 and 42 equal to 2. So my video is over and your chapter is also over. So prepare for your exam this chapter. Thank you for watching.